Welcome to your Women's Day weather forecast. The day starts off with some drizzle along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and we're expecting morning fog in the northeast as well as some fog along the west coast, mainly in the first part of the day. It'll be a mostly clear day for the majority of South Africa, with mild to warm afternoon temperatures for most weather stations across the country, and we're expecting a particularly warm day over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Windy conditions are forecast over the central and southeastern interior, and with that, the SA Weather Service have issued a high fire danger warning that includes parts of the northern and eastern Cape as well as the western parts of the northwest and the Free State, with runaway fires possible. We'll see a predominantly dry day across the country, other than a very slight chance of morning drizzle along the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. In the northeast, highs head into the mid-20s for the northwest, Vryburg even topping 28, 24 for Bombela, a mild afternoon for Polokwane and Pretoria, 23 degrees, and Johannesburg's high will reach 21. We head into the mid-20s for Bloemfontein and Welkom, with a warm afternoon for Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg at 27, Grahamstown matching that daytime high, and Bishu and Umtata can expect a hot day just shy of 30 degrees. 26 as we head towards Richards Bay with a strong northeasterly wind. You'll see a predominantly northeasterly component to the wind along the east coast, with a light northeasterly breeze for Port Elizabeth, and along the east coast we can expect a 2-meter easterly swell at 8 seconds. Warm and sunny over the southern part of South Africa, with highs heading into the upper 20s for Oudtshoorn, Somerset East and Graaff-Reinet, with the rest of those highs in the mid-20s for the Western Cape interior. Still cool for Muizenberg with the moderate northwesterly wind. We're forecasting west-northwesterly winds for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, with wind speeds of between 20 and 30 kilometers per hour. Light and variable winds are expected along the south coast, but with a predominantly light west-southwesterly wind for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, and more of a southwester for Jeffreys Bay, all at 23 degrees, with a 1.5 meter southwesterly swell at 11 seconds. Hot for Uppington, just shy of 30 degrees, still mild for Colesberg and Calvinia at 23. Sutherland warming up to 20 degrees on Wednesday afternoon. Along the west coast, we can expect a light to moderate northwesterly wind from Lambert's Bay through to Cape Town, all at around 20, with a light westerly wind for Alexander Bay, and along the west coast we'll see a 1.5 meter southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Things remain dry for most of the country on Thursday, with a sunny and warm forecast for many weather stations. Hot as we head towards KwaZulu-Natal, but with a cool day for Cape Town at 18 degrees, with the possibility of some evening light rain. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Women's Day.